The enemy team
New game mode idea.
Okay.
Centipede.
No, I've already been told. No, no uncertain terms not to do that. It hasn't started until the horn blows. Are there 2 teams still?
No. All right, let's go.
No.
Let's go.
No, Ian.
Go.
I'm gonna start shooting at orange tips. You haven't covered it yet? Come on, man. All right, Ian. What do you think? We got high kappas. Just go pop, pop, pop.
I'm thinking that he's a terrorist, and I also think he's a terrorist, and you're a terrorist, and that other dude's a terrorist.
I'm not. You're too sketched out. I'm not staying next to you, man.
Played this game too many times to trust anybody. Trust nobody.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Where did this kid go? This kid disappeared. Where'd you go? Oh, hey, what's up? They're probably hiding in the village and stuff. Whoa, who's shooting? Who's shooting?
Hey, I'm innocent. This is the Fremont autonomous.
Dude, you just shot first.
He shot first. This is the Fremont.
Who shot first?
You cannot come in here.
Who shot first?
I'm dead.
Are you a terrorist?
Yeah.
Is it the trust bus?
Yo,
Beep, beep.
Trust bus, though?
Are you? Oh, you must be innocent if the game's not over. All right.
I don't like this guy. You are not allowed in the Fremont autonomous zone.
I will put that shit.
With your guns up.
Yeah, you should do that. You should do that. How about you do that? Put that crap down. Where are you going? No, I don't trust you. 3 are dead? I'm just trying to see who's still alive. Whoa.
I don't trust you.
Nope. Okay.
Okay, I trust you now.
All right.
Disconnected the gun and everything.
Yeah, exactly. Like, disconnect the airline. MP5 brothers, right? Yeah.
Just knife kill me. You don't need to shoot me right now.
All right, so
like
there was.
behind us.
Hey, don't shoot.
Why not?
Don't shoot.
Just drawing them out.
What the fuck you doing? Bang.
Oh, I knew it.
Who's still in? You told the rules. I don't like you hiding in this corner this whole time, man. Guns unloaded. Oh, you already got up there. Okay. That's the Fremont demilitarized zone. We should go there. Is he moving around? He's over here. He took out Logan. Oh shit, you serious? Yeah, they just went back to get that guy. Oh, you didn't give me a warning, man!
You hooked it up and everything. The least exciting terrorist.
Yeah.
You kidding me? I just took out 3 guys right in front of you and you didn't notice.
The shoot, I didn't care. They went in the Fremont autonomous.
Fucking shot you the first time I grabbed you.
I think it's 23B for the
I wanted to so
Sorry I
fucking
shot you in the
badly.
beginning.
I prefer my circles as squares, thank
In
you.
the middle.
Ian, drop your tornado grenade.
Spread out.
Why is there a T above your head? Ian, please. Ian, get your hand out of your pocket. All right. Look at this. Disconnecting the airline.
How's your day going, guys?
Great.
Fist only in the gulag. Get your hand out of your pocket.
At least somebody's smart. At least he knows I have the grenade.
Not a press
To be honest with you, I never actually loaded the grenade. I lied to you all.
Can I defog? What the hell happened? I came back and everyone's dead. So Ian, what were you?
Traitor.
All right, now that we trust.
Shoot the guy behind you. You peeked the corner.
You in?
Where you at? Where you? Hey, you! You're behind the building!
Cam, put your hands up!
Hands up!
Hands up! Put your hands in the air!
I'm a civilian.
Oh, he's shooting at us! Cameron, pick up your gun and get over here!
See it? Where's the other guy?
Him! Hey! You! You!
Keep an eye on him.
Mother! You want to get full auto this close? Huh? Ah!
Hold on.
Oh, I jammed. Oh, hit. Oh, is it Cam? It's Cam. You motherfucker. It's Cam. He just took advantage of that fucking chaos.
The little kid?
Yeah.
I fucking know it.
Yeah, he's the traitor.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
He goes bang bang. I was like, well, I don't have a gun, so I'm gonna call it.
Did Cam just wipe us?
I was gonna unload on anyone who walked by, and then he got you out.
Yeeted by Cam.
I told.
Probably about half of us. Cam, you little shit. Yeah, good crap, man. Good crap.
Dude, he ran by us. He's like, you terrorist?
Well,
I'm like, no, he just ran off. I'm like, oh, okay.
I think I know who the terrorist.
I'm gonna tell you right now, if any of you bang me, I'm not gonna honor it and I'm gonna fucking shoot you. So, in fact, let me rack my gun. I can't see. What is he doing? Okay.
His gun's literally on the ground.
This was just his ploy so that when he does get picked as a T, he can just wipe us all.
I know, right?
You know what?
Huh?
All right.
Here, I'll give you guys a little
So
light
let's just
show.
we'll spread.
Do it. Do it. Woo!
Oh, shit.
On!
Ow.
What were you?
I was innocent.
Kill them! Hit! Ah!
And pretty soon after that, we all got wiped out in chaos. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe for more. Coming up soon, I'm going to be getting an Evike Box of Awesomeness and opening it at the field and just playing with whatever's inside, so I think that'll make for a fun and exciting video, and I hope to see you guys there. And please remember to call your hits.